Hey everyone, so in this video I'll just show you guys how I replace winter tires on my Model X at home. So the winter tires are on their own separate rims, 19 inch. So I'm just going to use the regular jacks, regular tools, whatever you have, and chain them. So let's see how that's done. So before you do any kind of work on your car, well, in terms of like raising it on jack or anything, you wanna come here in your menu. So then you go in the service and you want to make sure the jack mode is turned on. And then the other thing you want to do is just come over here in suspension, and you just want to make sure it's all the way high. So that's very important. So after you have put your car in jack mode and raised it to the highest setting, then the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put a jack under, like I have here. But even before I do that, we need to remove these lug nut caps right here. So these are just plastic caps. All you do is take a needle nose plier, hold them tight, and just squeeze them, not too hard, and pull straight out. That's it. If you slip, it might scratch it, so just be careful. So just hold it tight and pull. That's all you do. So this needle nose plier that I have has got these nice kind of grooves, and it helps in grabbing these covers. So as you can see, that's been removed. Now what you're gonna do is come over here and you're gonna find the spot where you need to attach the jack. So it's right here, this plastic piece. So as you can see, my jack, position it right here, and then I'm gonna raise it up, and there you go. So that's where you wanna have your jack. And then for me, I just take this socket wrench, and we're gonna raise this up. Okay, so I'm kind of 40% up. The other thing I do is I take this long bar, and it's called a breaker bar, and what I just do is loosen the lug nuts first, and I'll show you that. Now once that is complete, then you can just use an impact gun that right there, and then you can take them all out. So I'll do that next, and then I can use this impact gun. Now when that is done, all you do is just hit the tire. Should be fairly easy to come out. So now that the tire has been removed, now's a good time to check your brakes, right? And my brakes look okay, and just give it a little bit of shake, see if anything is moving, check the control arms and everything. Here's the air suspension, and you can just look inside. So once you're happy, and even if you want, you can at this point maybe clean your brakes. I can make another video on that. Before you put the new tire, you're going to take some anti-seize and then just go put it all over these threads, so that the next time when you open these tires, then these lug nuts are going to come out fairly easy. So just go around, put the anti-seize, and I'll do that, and then I'll see you guys after that. Okay, so now the tire has been installed, and one thing I forgot to mention, you want to be very careful. Some of these tires come with a rotation marker, as you can see right here. So the tire rotates this way, counterclockwise, so you want to make sure you have that all nicely positioned. Now when the tire is installed,
I tighten the lug nuts, and very important, you want to torque them properly. So I lowered the tire, as you can see, and I'm at torque range. I think for Model X the torque specs are about 129 to 125, so that's what I have set mine to. So all you do is just go in a star configuration like this, and torque your wheels. Make sure you get an extension, because if you don't, so I'll just show you how short this is. You see, like, you'll be rubbing against the rims and against your body, so you don't want to damage that. So for that purpose, get yourself an extension and put this. And now that is complete, then we can take these caps and just slide them. And that's it. That's how you install tires or swap tires on your Model X. Okay, now that we're done installing the tires, then you're gonna do a couple of things. So the first thing I'll do is come over here in my service and then turn off jack mode. So that's disabled. Then you want to come over here in your wheel configuration, and you want to change this to whatever wheel size you have. So mine 19 inch, I changed that to 19, and that's the only option they have. I'm just going to say confirm, and whatever it had to do, it did. And then also you want to then come back in your suspension and have to press the brake pedal. All right, so now we can go to standard, and I can see the car sitting down. Tire performance have been reset successfully. Yay. And here, I think you have to drive the car for the PSI to show up. But that will conclude the tire installation on your Tesla.